So been this really interesting unification that's happening between what's happening in the artificial intelligence community and what's happening in neuroscience. I think when you look inside these AI models, there's like, if you think about what people were talking about a year or two ago when they were much less sophisticated, they're thinking, oh, these things are glorified autocompletes, or they call them stochastic parrots. But that really does not seem to be the case. When you look inside these AI models, you see these mathematical objects that look a lot like what you see in the brain in neuroscience. The representations are converging, and this is an empirical finding. Like there's an area of research. There's a paper called the Platonic representation hypothesis, where there's this empirical finding where different models trained different architectures on different data sets converge to the same underlying representations. And so this gives you this sense that these models are learning something kind of deep about the universe, that there's this underlying thing that's like a physical fact, that if you train these big computational models, you get these representations that produce intelligence, and they're the same things that the brain has figured out. And so there's this really interesting unification that, I don't know, I mean, I think it gives us a lot of reason to believe that the work in AI is on the right track.